birds are aerial nomads, effortlessly traversing vast distances across oceans, showcasing their mastery of the skies. Frigate birds are aerial pirates, skillfully snatching prey from other birds in mid-flight, showcasing their opportunistic feeding behavior. Frigate birds have endured through time, with fossil evidence revealing their ancient existence, and modern colonies displaying their remarkable social and nesting behavior.
Explore the fascinating world of the wild. Subscribe for more insights into nature's incredible wonders. Like, share, and join us in celebrating their unique talents.